In the shadow of the mountains high, temples whisper secrets to the sky. Kites are dancing with the evening breeze. Mystic cats float through banyan trees. Market bustling colors paint the street. Smell of incense mingles with the heat. Carved stone guardians calm and wise watch over with their knowing eyes. Ancient rhythms call the night, Balinese dreams in soft moonlight. Where the ocean meets the shore, magic lives forevermore. Tide retreats, believes its mark, patterns traced like sacred art. Children laugh and chase the tide, underneath the stars they hide. Rivers winding through the land, life moves slow like golden sand. Every story in its place, memoirs of a timeless grace. Ancient rhythms call the night, Balinese dreams in soft moonlight. Where the ocean meets the shore, magic lives forevermore. Ancient rhythms call the night, Balinese dreams in soft moonlight. Where the ocean meets the shore, magic lives forever.